Hi, boys and girls. I hope y'all are doing fine today. We're going to do our last math lesson for this week. So, when you get your worksheet out for 86A, draw your segment line, connecting your dots, put your name on it. And today's date is March. Remember, March has the AR sound, R, 27th, 2020. And it's Friday, Fry plus day, F-R-I. All right, tally marks. Now, if you already did yours on a different day, that's okay. We're just practicing our tally marks. If you're doing it with me right now, the 27th, we have 27 tally marks to make. And I hope you remember that the fifth one is the diagonal. That's our group of 5. 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. Why do they give us such a tiny box for the tallies? I do not know. Trace your 78, always starting at the top. Write it 3 more times. How many digits are on the line? Digits are the numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8. All right, and then we have our word problem. If you want to use crayons, you can. If you don't have your crayons ready or you don't feel like it, you can just put the letter for the color. So Mrs. Deesh counted 6 red shoes. And I'm just going to put an R for red. And 8 blue shoes in the closet. So 6 are red. And 8 are blue. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show the shoes in the closet. Right, I hope that you're writing 6 red shoes plus 8 blue shoes equals a sum, a S-U-M sum. All right, I'm putting 8 in my head because it's bigger. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6 plus 8 equals 14. Remember to write it. How many shoes are in the closet? 14 shoes. Okay, next you have some money to add again. Okay, William's receipt at the classroom store looked like this. He bought pickles for 27 cents. He bought pie for 31 cents. Which side do we start adding on? The dimes or the pennies? Who remembers? We start on the right side. We start on the penny side. 7 plus 1 more equals 8. 2 plus 3 equals 5. How much did William spend for these 2 items? 58 cents. Remember your cent sign. All right, now we're still working with pennies. Here we're talking to Sarah, and she's putting her pennies in groups of 10. And so each box here kind of looks like a Lego box, has 10 pennies in it. If it has 10 pennies in it, do we have to count each one? Do we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4? No, we're counting by tens, and you can write it to help you. That's a 10. That's a 10. That's a 10. And these are the extras. These are the leftovers. How many groups of 10 does she have? Well, she has 1, 2, 3 groups of 10. So 3 is our answer. And how many extras does she have? Pennies we're talking about. She has 2 extras. How many does she have altogether? Well, let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. She has 32 pennies. All right. Remember on the 100th day when you got to pick 10 snacks from each paper plate? It was a quicker way to get to 100. 10 of each one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 on the first table. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 on the second table. All right, and now you're subtracting on your number line. When you add, you go to the right. When you subtract, you go to the left. So we're counting backwards. 7 minus 1. 6. 2 minus 0. Nothing changes. It's still 2. 11 minus 2. 11, 10, 9. We backed up 2 spaces. So practice counting backwards. And 6 minus 2. 4. All right, that's our worksheet together. And then you have 86B to do whenever you have a minute to do it. Also, I wanted to talk to you about the number challenge. I have some kids who have been letting me know. Avery let me know. I read with Miles this morning. He told me his new number. Mia sent me a little message. Time for her to go back in the treasure box. Her number's getting very high. James has let me know when we read together what his new number is. So save your numbers. Definitely save your numbers, because when we get back together, you get your goodies. Okay, I think that's all for now with our math. And in a little while, we're going to do our Scholastic magazine, and it's going to be the one with the frogs. All right, see you soon.